I'll explain the overhaul procedure of fuel injection pump. Handle the fuel injection pump with care because it has been made precisely in order to display a combustion and governor performance. Prepare the exclusive tool to overhaul the engine. Firstly, remove the relative pipes. Secondly, loosen the bolt of delivery valve. Thirdly, loosen the tightening nut of fuel injection pump with the exclusive socket wrench. Detach the supporting nut of fuel rack and then remove the pump. I'll explain the disassembly procedure of fuel injection pump. Disassemble the fuel injection pump as you are watching in the video. Prepare the exclusive tool to overhaul the fuel injection pump. Turn the fuel injection pump to 180 degrees on the table and set the exclusive tool to draw out the plunger guide on the rear side of flung in the fuel injection pump body. Turn the support bolt of exclusive tool to clockwise and hold the plunger guide. Remove the circlip for stopper of plunger guide while holding it. Rise the plunger guide by the spring force when turning the support bolt of tool to counterclockwise. After detaching tool, it is possible to remove the plunger guide, spring sheet, plunger, spring, retainer, and pinion together. Detach the rack lock bolt and remove the rack. Remove the deflector which is set to the center of fuel injection pump. There are two deflectors. Next, detach the support bolt of delivery valve with the hexagonal wrench and remove the delivery valve and square ring. Be careful not to lose parts of delivery valve because they are too small. Finally, detach the bolt of barrel holder and remove the barrel from the pump body. O-ring is equipped at the barrel position of fuel injection pump, so make sure to remove it. The overhaul of fuel injection pump will be completed. Wash the disassembled parts and check for abnormality. Be careful not to damage it during washing. After checking, reassemble it with the necessary parts replacement. Replace all O-rings. Reassemble the fuel injection pump in inverse order for disassembly. Assemble the barrel body. Tighten the bolts of barrel guard and of delivery valve evenly in 3 steps by the specified torque. Furthermore, install the deflector on both sides. Align the set marks of rack, pinion, and plunger. Pay attention for the set marks and then assemble them. Equip the rack and fit the stopper bolt of rack. Turn the pump 180 degrees and install the pinion on the fuel injection pump. At this time, make sure to align the set mark of rack and of pinion. Insert the spring and retainer. Next, insert the plunger. Make sure to align the set mark of pinion and plunger. After applying lube oil on the outside of plunger guide, temporarily insert it into the fuel injection pump. Set the inserting tool of plunger guide. In the same procedure as drawing out plunger guide, turn the pushing bolt of exclusive tool to clockwise and push the plunger guide. And then install the retainer and fix the plunger guide. Align the retainer cut with body notch and the assembly will be completed. After assembly, check if the rack moves smoothly. Install the fuel injection pump to the engine body with the tightening nut. Return each pipe to its original condition. After the procedure, check for timing of fuel injection and bleed air. Check the injection timing as the following procedure. Turn the flywheel and align the marked off line on the body of fuel injection pump with it on the plunger guide. The scale graduation pointed out by the flywheel pointer at this time indicates the fuel injection timing. And also, overhaul the pump bracket including tappet and roller once per 8,000 to 10,000 hours.